guys, Raghav here, and I'm back with a new video on my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a desktop icon of WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to open the web browser and search here WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. I have opened it already, and now I'll show. You need to click here the three dots icon you can see, and then more tools, and then add to desktop, and you'll see here this, and add to desktop WhatsApp. We'll simply click on add, and the WhatsApp icon is created on our desktop. And similarly we'll do it for Instagram, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram as Mr. Raghav Tiwari, and we'll do similarly three dots, more tools, and add to desktop, and then add. And similarly for Twitter, three dots, more tools, add to desktop, and then add. And now you will see all three icons for WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter are in the home screen. So this is a very nice trick to just open directly your WhatsApp account, Instagram account or Twitter account directly from your desktop. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.